Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube?
We are
Fucked it up.
back.
Ooh, I cursed. No, that's not what happened. Come on. We just rehearsed it.
Could you just say hi? Say hi. You need a drink or something.
Nah, I'm Jehovah's Witness. I don't drink. Guys, it's Chef Trini.
And Chef Sam.
And we back with another video.
Baby.
Yeah, that was my line, but okay. Tell them what we cooking today.
We are making some.
I'm telling them. Nah, I'm just playing. Go ahead. I'm a gentleman. Go ahead. Tell them what we making.
Are you sure?
There we go. So we can jump right into this video.
We are making some potato empanadas today, guys.
Puerto Rican style.
Ooh, wepa.
Also known as
Okay.
Man.
No, I'm just gonna leave that
Hold
one to you
on.
because we rehearsed this, I guess, right?
What's them Trinity people that's called it? ALOO pies! Yeah! Yo, guys, so when we come back, we are making Puerto Rican potato empanadas and ALOO pies. I can taste it already.
You're always hungry.
All right, guys, so when we come back, it's about to go down. Chefettes, let me show you the ingredients for this Puerto Rican style potato empanadas, also known as ALOO pie. So first we have 3 boiled and mashed potatoes. We have a hefty tablespoon of jeera. You don't know what jeera is? Google it, then go to the West Indian store and buy some. Then we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Just a sprinkle of salt, not too much salt. You know we don't like too much salt over here. High cholesterol in your mother cunt. Then you're gonna take another dash of black pepper. But hold on, if you like it spicy, put a lot of black pepper. You like cayenne pepper? Put some cayenne pepper. You like paprika? Put some paprika. That's only if you like it spicy. You like your food spicy? Do that. If you don't like too much spice, you can skip that part. And last, we have a pack of Goya discs, a 10-pack of Goya discs. These 3 potatoes should be enough for all 10 of these Goya discs. So guys, we have the ingredients here. Damn! Stay tuned for the next scene.
Hey guys, miss me?
No.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to.
I'm talking for our subscribers.
No, don't do that.
Yeah.
Our chef and chefess could talk to us by themselves.
Okay.
They can comment below.
Somebody just dropped a comment. No.
You ever got one cup?
Plenty of times. I think in every other video I get a cough.
Guys.
So what you doing?
So I put all of the seasonings we told you about in this bowl with the potatoes. So we have the jeera, we have the salt, we have the onion powder, we have the black pepper, and the potatoes, right? You see it?
We see it.
I'm gonna mix everything together nice and easy.
Nice and slow.
So it doesn't spill over, right? As soon as I do that, I'm gonna put everything in one of those little discs. You see all those discs sitting over there?
We see them discs. Go Goya.
I think Goya has a song.
Yes, they do.
They don't.
Go. You Spanish and you don't know the Go Goya slogan?
It's time to get away from the everyday. Go Goya.
Goya, a fake Boricua.
Why it doesn't have no dance
Yes,
song?
it's called Go.
Can song?
No.
Oh.
That's Stop and Shop or Shop Right.
Oh.
Can. You know the can sale. Anyways,
That can sale be the truth though. That 10 for 10 though. I'm just saying.
back to our scheduled program.
Okay, sorry. All right, guys. So I mixed everything in there. Oh, it's smelling really good.
I can smell it.
So I'm gonna take a little bit, right? I have an extra fork over here. You probably can't see it.
We can see it.
Boop. And with this fork, I'm gonna press the edges down. Watch. Wait for it.
Yes, show us, please.
I'm gonna take a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
No, please don't wiggle it. Please don't wiggle it. Please.
Why?
Because every time you wiggle it, we lose subscribers.
No, we don't.
Just lost 3.5.
No, we don't. Why are you always trying to play me?
Another 2.
They like when I wiggle it.
Video flag.
Guys, can you guys let me know if you like when I wiggle it?
Hell no. Don't let her know if you wiggle it.
I will wiggle it.
I will block everyone. Ain't no wiggling going on here.
Wiggle it and jiggle it. Guys, so I put the potato as you saw. Let me move out the way.
Somewhat.
With my...
Yeah, we somewhat saw you. Because your bomb C was in the way. So you kind of blocked you
It's
with...
okay, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
The potato's in the middle. I folded it in half, okay? And with my fingers, I'm pressing it down. All right?
Ooh, that thing on your hand over there. That thing big.
Yeah.
All right, back to video.
All right,
back to
sorry.
video.
And with the edge of the fork, I'm just gonna push it down and pull it out. Push it down, pull it out. Push it down,
Ooh,
pull it out.
Get a close up of that.
Push it down, pull it out. Push it down, pull it out. Make sure you don't take the fork too close to where the potato is, okay? Push it down, pull it out. Push it down, pull it out. Really simple. Let's do one more, really quick. Take the potato, put it in the middle.
2 hours later.
Bro, cooking takes patience.
No, just because you want to wiggle in the middle of cooking, that's why.
I'm not wiggling right now. Pay attention. Fork you.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Take one side.
I'm using this as evidence.
One side, fold it in half, guys.
We can see. We watching you.
Okay? Push the corners down. Take your clean fork. Push it down on the sides. And I didn't tell you, but I use parchment paper just because it's easier. And you don't gotta clean up your countertop.
All right.
And the disc won't stick to it.
All right.
Just a little tip.
All right.
And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna fill all these discs up, and when I come back, we're gonna show you what's next.
Hey, chefs and chefettes and chefaronis and junior chefs and baby chefs and chef. Oh, shit. Oh, excuse my language. Guys, so we stuffed... Oh. Cut.
Who leaves the scene? You're supposed to be the chef.
Bro, you didn't see that?
I saw it. I saw you leave.
Shoot over there. Ooh. Ooh. All right, guys. Like I was saying before they started shooting, we stuffed all the discs with the potato mixture we showed you how to make. The oil is hot, extra hot. You seen that? It's extra hot. Chef Trini almost get burnt. So now all you gotta do is throw these bad boys in the hot oil, okay?
Y'all saw Chef Trini scared of a little hot oil.
What's your maracan? Try to play me. That's it, guys. I'm gonna put. I think
One, because you scared?
listen, you ever get smacked with an empanada? Empanada slap? You ever get slapped with an empanada?
Slap me with a soft one.
You better. I know. I'm gonna wait till it cook.
Now you're scared of the hot oil, so I doubt it.
So guys, you're just gonna add your empanadas, your stuffed empanadas, to your frying pan. We're gonna do 3 at a time. When we come back, you're gonna see the finished product.
Hey. Well, as you can see, it's done. As you can see, he also likes it because he already started eating. You didn't even want to talk to them, right? Well, guys, let me show you what it looks like. Like the finished product, because he just put food all in your face. How delicious. You almost made me cuss.
Make these potato empanadas.
Bro, take this out. Finish eating your food.
Make them! They are banging!
And don't put it back in the plate.
Don't touch my food. Get off my food. That's it, guys.
See, put it right here.
No.
Put it right there.
No.
Oh, I was about to eat it.
Well, it's a wrap.